Oh, what's this? It looks like a brand new Toyota Prius. Are you buying this thing?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Let's see. How do you put this one back? Let's see. How do you put this middle one?
This is one of those smart cars.
Mystery Bob.
Look here. All right. This is our retirement car. We're going to travel across the United States in this car, up the Rocky Mountains, visit all of our friends throughout the universe. This is what it looks like the day we got it.
Let's see how long it'll stay that way.
There we go.
Just 2 seats.
Oh boy, it smells new.
Yeah, I put my coffee cup in the car. It's empty.
All right.
So you can bring it home and drink.
Here we go. You're going to be on YouTube tonight, buddy.
Am I?
Yes, I'll send you a copy.
Not with a like a skull and crossbone, no? Here.
See this guy if you want to. See this
Good.
guy for this car.
All right.